Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Thursday, the 3rd. Hope you guys are doing well today, and hope you're ready to learn some more math. Now, guys, you're responsible for these announcements, so please listen carefully. First of all, we're going to have a quiz early next week. I will give you more information on that later. Nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you yesterday. Incompletes. Now, if you did not take the test yesterday, you must take it by tomorrow. So please keep that in mind. And Jose, you're going to take the test today. All right. Let's take a look now at the track 2 incompletes here. Okay. Now all of this must be done by Friday. Okay. So we have 4 quizzes by tomorrow that must be taken, and this must be turned in by tomorrow. Okay. All of these will become zeros if they're not taken care of by tomorrow. Now, today, we're going to go over your quiz from Tuesday and talk about it, and then start Chapter 5. Now, Chapter 5 is about congruent triangles and special segments in a triangle. We will be learning many ways to prove that triangles are congruent. We will be learning what congruent triangles are and how to understand which parts of these triangles are congruent to each other. We will also learn how to use congruent triangles to solve problems. Now the video today, that's what Chapter 5 is over. Now today, we're going to study congruent triangles. We will learn a definition of congruent triangles. We will learn how to write a congruent statement. And we will learn how to take a congruent statement and match up corresponding angles and corresponding sides. There's the teaching video, only about 25 minutes, so not that long. Here's the homework that's due tomorrow. Okay? Here's the help video. Now, if you work hard, you should be able to come very close to getting your homework done in class. Here are the stats for the quiz. Now, Jose and Ethan, you both made a 100, so congratulations to you guys. If you want to check my work, excuse me, the first mistake was 1 point, the second mistake was 5 points, and every mistake after was 14. Now, everybody in the classroom, except for Ethan and Jose, made a 24. Except for one student, they made around a 50. So I curved all the 24s up to 50. So if you have a 50 on your quiz, you really made a 24. Now the student that made a 50, I curved that to an 80. So the student that had an 80 really made a 50. Now, I really want you to know a couple things, okay? So listen to me very carefully. First of all, I love you guys. You're my students. I'm here to help you, and I mean that. All right? Last year, one student flunked the first semester. No one flunked the second semester because that one student realized he could do it if he would just do his work and work hard. 2 years ago, one student flunked the first semester. No students flunked the second semester. Same thing. This year, we're on track. Out of 8 students, we might have 4 or 5 that flunk. And listen to me carefully, okay? If it costs me my job, in other words, if Mr. Harmon thinks that because students are flunking, I'm not doing a good job, if it costs me my job, I still won't curve your grades up. I only curved them to this time in your quiz because we had one person, I thought the one person that got an 80 knew what they were doing, and this student got 1 and 2 confused. I think they put sides for number 1 and angles for number 2. But other than that, they seemed to know what they were doing. But guys, listen to me. Do you realize for quiz number 13, I told you the 3 exact problems that would be in that quiz? And 2 of you decided to study and get 100s. And then one person, I think, studied. I'm not sure. It was kind of hard to tell either way. And the rest of you didn't. I told you to be a triangle with sides and tell me the angles from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. I told you to be a triangle with angles and you would tell me the sides from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. And I told you I'd give you three sides and you would say yes, it's a triangle, or no, it's not, and tell me why. I told you all three problems. Okay? I gave you 2 days to do your review sheet in class. 2 days. And two people turned it in. Brina did, and my son did it, and that's it. No one else. Now, don't say you forgot it. Don't say it. No, it's due the day of the test. So, guys, I love y'all. I'm not mean. But if you think for a second that I'm going to change how I teach or change, I'm not doing it. I am holding your hand. I told you the exact three problems that would be on this quiz. It was like cheating almost. You knew the three problems, and they're simple. If I've got a 10 here and a 12 here and a 15 here, is there not anyone in the class? Can't everyone in the class tell me where the longest side is? It's here, right here. So go straight across, and that's the biggest angle. Guys, my fifth grader could do that here at the house. Where's the next biggest side? This one. Go straight across. There's the next biggest angle. Where's the smallest side? Here. Go straight across. There's the smallest. I taught you this. These problems were simple. Simple. So, guys, look, I'm not being mean. I'm telling you, it's your grade. It's your business. But if you do not pass and your parents have a problem with me, I'm going to sit down and show them all the review sheets you've not done. I'm going to pull out the quizzes. We're going to pull out the intro videos. I'm going to say, look, on this video, I told them the exact three problems that be on this quiz. Okay, because everything's documented because everything's on video. All right. That's all for today, guys. Get to work. We're not going to do quiz corrections. Please get to work on your notes and your homework. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.